Make perfect, easy-to-peel hard-boiled eggs every single time. Fill a pot with enough water to cover the eggs by about an inch. Turn the stove on high. Once the water is boiling, put in the eggs gently with a spoon. This technique of plunging the eggs in boiling water is called shocking them. Not that kind of shock, Guillermo. Okay. After you put them in, lower the temperature so the water boils gently. After a minute, turn it back up to high. Leave to cook for 11 to 13 minutes. While the water is boiling, prepare an ice bath. Take out the eggs and put them directly into the bath. This is one way to peel off the shell. And another way. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It really does help us. Enjoy your eggs, however you like to eat them. But wait, we haven't finished. We want to show you some other ways to make perfect eggs.